Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Destiny Rising Beta. Create your character, pick a subclass, and jump into the first missions immediately to learn movement and objectives. Focus on ability combos and basic survival tactics while exploring the map. Experiment with solo and team options to find what fits you best. Keep an eye on mission timers, loot drops, and vendor prompts to gear up efficiently and stay adaptable. Mastering controls makes the beta feel smooth and responsive, so set sensitivity and button layout that match your comfort. Spend time practicing dodge, sprint, and slide gaps to maintain momentum during fights. Learn each ability cooldown and how they interact with your subclass perks for optimal combos. Warm up in lower difficulty encounters to build muscle memory, then scale into tougher missions where timing becomes crucial for survival. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and updates. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep because they seal tight and save time on messy breaks between sessions. They stack neatly in a bag and keep food fresh for long play sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose weapons that complement each other so you can handle both mobs and single targets with ease. Rotate loadouts to match mission type, using high-rate weapons for adds and precision firearms for bosses. Spend resources upgrading your preferred gear instead of hoarding everything. Try alternative builds to discover synergies between abilities and weapons, and always keep one emergency healing or defensive option available for unexpected heavy damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.